Very good morning, dear students. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. You're
Good
audible.
morning. Okay. Actually, I was expecting more students are going to join today's session, but no worries. So, one by one, I would like to ask you one question to you people. What is the status of design engineering canvases? 43 number.
Yes, sir.
What you made?
Sir, we have decided the project, but not started the canvases right now.
Okay. And when you are going to start those canvases?
Sir, we can start in this week.
So I hope that you are aware about various canvases and all other thing. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you show once because I wasn't present during those times. So if you can.
So I have just searched design engineering GTU on Google, and there is one portal called D portal, design engineering portal. Okay. It is getting open. Don't worry. Okay. Over here in login page, you need to create your account. Those guidelines are already shared by respected class teacher, course coordinator. Okay. Now over here, so the procedure for that thing is student registration. Okay. Then first you need to do that thing. Now over here in the academics, each and every guidelines are provided. Guidelines are regarding your syllabus. So third sem, fourth sem syllabus. Okay. I think each and everything is explained by your various faculty members. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you people are very well aware about this thing. Over here, consider fourth sem. So it's a module 2. Okay. And so its syllabus is available over here. Okay. Now over here various canvases are given. Consider AEIOU, empathy, ideation, product development, business model, and LNM. Okay, so various canvases are there. So it's a AEIOU canvas. Okay, let me reload it. So it's a AEIOU canvas. Okay, so it is already explained by one of the faculty member, but over here what you can do, download it, convert it into the doc file, and you can prepare soft copy of this particular canvas. So remove this guidelines, just keep this environment as it is, remove these guidelines, interaction, objects, activities, users, let it be as it is, and below that various instructions are given. So remove those instructions and prepare soft version of this particular canvas. Okay, group id, group id is provided by your faculty course coordinator, your domain name and date of preparation, version, it's a iterative process. Okay, so based on your iteration you can mention version 1, version 2, version 3, likewise. Next is empathy or empathize. Okay, so over here you are going to mention users, end user of your product, stakeholders, a person who is directly or indirectly associated with your activity. Okay, it can be the manufacturer, supplier, retailer, end user. Okay, you can consider end user too. Various activities and happy and sad story, two happy story and two sad stories related to your topic you should write over here. Okay, that is empathy canvas. Next is ideation canvas. So again they are asking for people. Okay, so in first consider first canvas AEIOU. Okay, so over here environment, interaction, objects, activities and users are there. Users means it can be anyone. Even in empathy canvas users are there. Even in ideation their users are there. Am I right? So once you are writing your canvases over there, you should go towards your topic. Okay, in first case it may be too much generalized, then related to your topic, then specific to your topic. Okay, then people, activities, situation, context, location. Situation means what and when, context means why, and location means where. Okay, proceed, propose solutions, tools, objects, equipment which one can use for his project. PDC canvas over there, what is the purpose of your project? What about the people? Even if you are going to see the instructions which are listed over here just below each and every point. So what is the purpose of this particular canvas and why you are making it? And so instructions are given over here in each and every box. Okay, so product experience, it is about your product. Once you are going to make your product, so how end users are going to get benefit from your product. So you are asking for their experience, okay, whether they are happy, they are sad, they are no need, they are not in a mood to give you any kind of response. Then product functions, which kind of functions it is doing, okay, product features, product components, you need to mention customer revalidation. So once you are finished with your feature set, test with the customer or end user. If the features functions are useful, then customers are going to speak about it. Okay, so once you are approaching end user, at that time they may have three different options. First one is reject. If your product is not good, in that case they may reject it. Second, they may suggest some of the modifications. Am I right? Some of the modifications. So redesign. And third one is retain. They are saying that let it be as it is. We are fine with your proposed solution. We don't want any kind of changes. Okay. And then BMC canvas. So over here it is regarding business model. Okay. So here we are going to discuss about how we can channelize the revenue. Channelize the revenue means it is about money. Okay, so you want to earn some money from your project. Okay, so this canvas will guide you in that particular direction. Okay, in that particular direction, through which you can understand each and everything easily. Just wait, I am having some ready-made canvases. I have shared my screen. Is it visible?
No, sir. Yes, sir. How it's visible.
Okay, so it is one example of AEIOU canvas. So the project title Smart Home Automation System using Arduino applications. Okay, that kind of title was initially given by the students, and based on that they have prepared this AEIOU canvas. Okay, so consider activities. Okay, so what they have mentioned over here, I am just showing you those in activities. Consider they have mentioned home. Okay, so cooking, playing, reading, dancing, studying, those kind of activities are going on over there. Am I right, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they have mentioned in activities those things. Then environment. So far distance from home to the office, betterment for the senior citizen, use of electricity, this kind of some of the technical parameters they have mentioned, which in which we can have we can do some improvement. Then interaction with whom? Okay, so local people, hospital staff, students, employees. Okay, Then objects, fire sensor, hands, tube light, kitchen appliances, bathroom accessories, washing machine, geyser. Okay. Then users. Who are the users? People, officers, hospitals, school, colleges, etc. Okay. So likewise, is shown over here in this particular canvas. Even you people can make this canvas. Now, second canvas presented over here is empathy canvas. So over here version 1.0 designed by, it's a team ID created on GTU portal. Okay. So users, stakeholders, activities they have mentioned, and two happy story and two sad stories are shown over here. Hope all of you are getting it. Okay. It's a ideation canvas. So people, old age people, doctors, teachers, children, workers, shopkeepers. Based on your topic here, people will change. Okay. Then activities, using mobile phone, watching television, listening song, playing games, studying, various types of even cooking, dancing. Okay. And situation, so maintenance, pollution, home, short circuit, cloudy weather, emergency situation, use of electricity, school, etc. Okay. So propose solutions or possible solutions. So fire sensor, GPS, earthquake sensor, etc. It is mind map. So mind map is nothing but what you are thinking in your mind. Okay. Generally, our mind is having various branches. Okay. Branches means thoughts. Okay. So based on those thoughts, we are thinking. Okay. So over here, various branches are there, and on those branches, various thoughts are there. And once we are going to combine them, at that time, we may have our entire product in our mind. So one branch may be related to end users, one branch may be related to hardware requirement, one branch related to finance management related to your project. Okay, so likewise, you can think and you can prepare this canvas. It's a product development canvas. Okay, so over here, reject, redesign, and retain. So over here, it's a retain, as it is mentioned, retain. So let it be as it is. No need to reject it. No need to do any kind of modification. Yes, dear student. I hope now all of you are fine with the things. Is there any confusion? 50 number, 59 and 43. Yes, dear.
Sir, what about to LNM? What does it mean?
I'm not getting you.
LNM, you
There
sure
was
that's
a canvas named LML.
Yes. LNM, Learning Need Matrix.
okay, sir?
So, yeah, okay. Okay. So you are asking about the learning need matrix. Okay, about this one. So
Yes, sir.
over here, software tools, simulation methods, etc. are mentioned. Theories, method, application processes, those things are mentioned. Okay. Applicable standard design specification principles are mentioned. So second, third, fourth. Okay. So you should consider this side. You can follow my cursor. Okay. During B, okay, I am talking about this particular right hand side left hand side uppermost corner. I am talking about this side. Okay. So second stage, third stage. So you people are right now in fourth semester. Okay. So one by one you should move in this particular direction. So initially you it may possible that for circuit simulation you people are learning too many softwares, but later on only one software is required. In that case you can mention single software only, no need to mention each and everything. Okay. And even along with that you are supposed to make a rough prototype and video too. Probably those guidelines will be given by respected faculty members, other faculty members. My today's topic was redesign. So I have said you about that particular thing. Okay, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is from my side regarding today's session. Still, if you are having any kind of question, then you can ask me. Let me take your attendance. Today it's a 25th March. And who is there? 43. 43.
Sir, you wrote in 47. Okay,
No,
sorry.
it's
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. My bad.
because we are habituated with this kind of things. And 59, am I right?
Yes, sir.
So thank you for joining me. Have a good time. You may leave now. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Complete the various things on Yes, 43 and 59 number. Have you done your student registration on Design Engineering portal?
Not yet, sir.
Sir, we done in third semester.
But right now also you are supposed to do that thing.
Yes, sir.
So just convey this message to your other batch mates. Okay. And follow the other guidelines available on the portal. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.